Hi everyone, my name is Yutong Qiu. In my presentation today, I will discuss how do the next 5 years look for the midstream industry. Companies in the oil and gas industry are usually divided into one of three groups: upstream, downstream, and midstream. The midstream is mainly responsible for transportation and storage between oil fields and refineries. In 2020, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, low demand, oil price wars in Saudi Arabia and Russia's international oil prices were at historic lows. Enormous oil and gas companies in giant oil countries have cut investment spending and layoffs significantly. Many enterprises are facing bankruptcies and restructures. As a result, the upstream E&P companies idle platforms and shut down wells, affecting the revenues and viability of midstream acquisitions, storage, and transportation partners. So, what difficulties the midstream enterprises are facing? In the first half of 2020, due to the failures of OPEC Plus negotiations, competitions between Saudi Arabia and Russia has led to the flow of supply. According to the Reuters, although the leasing costs increased by 50% to 100%, with the scramble of oil companies and traders for acquisitions, the demand for oil storage increased sharply, sparking unwanted crude oil and refined products. As the epidemic continued to depress global demand and North American productions, producers have shut their wells, delayed project executions, and substantially reduced investment. The pipeline projects has been postponed or suspended indefinitely. According to the Moody's Investor Service report, outlooks for global midstream energy sectors revised to negative for the first time. Although the midstream industry will be affected by the COVID-19 crisis in 2020, it will become the most critical industry change periods, with both challenge and opportunities. Best-in-class midstream company has made the needed adjustments to a lower for longer energy price environment and are holding up well. Kinder Morgan, the first midstream North American company, confirms that it has passed the midstream stress test so far at the beginning of 2020. Even after a 25% increase in dividends, it's enough to increase distributable cash flows by 6%, and the company has cut its net debt by $2.2 million. Other companies such as EPD and MMP have also achieved good results. They increased dividends and repaid the debt by reducing costs and improving cash flows, which shows they still have the considerable financial strength and operational strength. As shown in the figures, EIA predicts that world liquid fuels production and consumption will increase in 2021. The world's oil production capacity is expected to rise by 5.9 million barrels per day by 2025. This will bring more opportunities to the midstream industry. As shown in these figures, the annual change of crude oil pipeline miles is great, and the growing is faster. It is expected that the demand for pipeline service will increase in the next few years due to the factors such as oil and gas projects, which may promote the development of the midstream market in the forecast period. And the recent promotions of LNG demand also makes the midstream market see an encouraging trend. Also, Biden's elections will affect the future oil and gas industry. The government supports low carbon environmental protections. Although oil and gas companies face the transitions to renewable energy, KMI said the extensive pipeline infrastructures could also play an important role in reducing global carbon emissions. And the company could transport products such as hydrogens or biofuel. In the next 5 years, the transformation of oil and gas industry to renewable energy is the future trend. The pipeline can deliver green hydrogens to storage facilities in the Gulf for export to overseas markets, or clean food to market centers on the northeast or west coast via the interstate pipelines. As more and more attention is paid to the increasing demand for mystery operations, we realize that technology and digitalizations are urged. Facing the challenge, midstream enterprises seeking innovation strategy to improve competitiveness, increasing productivities, and reduce unit costs. According to Deloitte, the figure shows that the oil and gas industry is obviously inexperienced and emerges in digital technology. I will advocate midstream enterprises to carry out digital industrial transformation and upgrading, transform real-time data into equipment-level uploadable information, and promote digital solutions. Use technology to simplify the operations, master the operation situations of upstream and downstream, help midstream and enterprise master all historical pipeline data, predict and analyze the maintenance, operation change, or replacement of assets. It can help fully improve the productivities and efficiency of midstream industry enterprises, getting real value from the digitalization process of traditional and new assets. That's it. Thank you. And this is my reference.